not tell me who be this now.
Pili, my boyfriend.
You go do that kind of thing, huh? You dey get boyfriend, you not tell me. Not be me be the first person where you supposed to. Eh? What if your name? Ife. Brotherly. You know my brother now. Yeah? Thank you. Bob, which work will you do?
Daddy is into forex, but most times people mistake him to be a Yahoo boy.
Give me back! Give me back! How body go fit touch you? Eh? If the boy say na forest you do. Give me back! I'll protect you from anybody who touch you.
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of What I Do Best Comedy Reaction. So, my people, please, this is another episode of a fantastic video. You are going to love this, trust me. So, what you have to do for me is to make sure to watch this video to the very end. Drop your thoughts in the comment section and share this video. You understand? It's very important. You get? So, don't play, my people. Let's go have some fun.
Madam, you dey waste my time. I don't do your since now. Get other people want to go deliver package for now. Eh? I say it. So? No, what have you? Go tell me, what have you done?
What's going on here?
You were a very broke girl. You were a very, very broke girl. Very broke girl. I mean, I got you this.
Why you dey touch her breast?
Happy birthday, singlet and boxers.
Oh.
Has any man eaten your money before?
Me? Has any man eaten my money before?
Yes, I said it.
You dey play with I go and ask questions. I'm a financial dynamite.
Hey, sing
Call your
her.
account number for me.
Eh?
Call your account number!
623 77.
I just sent you 50 million naira.
Don't be angry. Call the account number again. 623 88 77 857. Please, is this correct? Yes.
Let's have it.
I just tripled the amount for him.
I'm 150 million.
I just wanted to show that you are broke.
Oh, never baby like me. Broke.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
You got people.
Hello, Adamu.
Give them another account number. They go
Adamu,
block
where
that
you
one. They go block that.
Okay, give me land. I beg, I need make you carry those your dollars. Come my land, come my house. Like $400,000. Yeah, they come my house, my land. Maybe you can wait.
Hey, see, can you imagine?
That's why I'm not busy.
See question. Will you wait? See question. Will you wait? You dey whine. Which one say I go wait? Even if not till tomorrow, I go wait.
Attention, if you're not ready.
For the struggle.
My queen, welcome, my love.
Thank you. Are you just washing the clothes?
No verse, my love. I will do all that this inside. I even mop your room, wash toilet, join. Now why I dey wash clothes now?
And I thought dinner will be ready by now.
No verse. I no go waste time. No be a go see. You go see. You no go take time.
I'm very hungry. Please be fast.
No verse, my love. How was work today, my love?
Jesus.
I use a raw body.
Damn Boroba.
You are a very stupid woman. So the little money I will be giving you to just keep for me, that you are using it for something else. What's your problem?
Neighbor, no problem.
My brother, you know how hard I work for my money, right? I wanted to get a piece of land for myself, but my wife insisted that she will do that for me.
Oh yeah, do advert.
At the end of the day, she was scammed.
Do advert for us. Do
Man,
advert.
this thing we talk about, you know the shit.
What do you mean?
How you go to give my money for land? You want buy land, you know, so now there's no home you go contact.
I know some advert.
You don't give you the for no get land for Abuja. They get for Wuse, they get for Piakasa, they even lodge one now. How did they call it? A downtown golf resort for Guje there. Yes, bro, their land they very affordable and you can pay instrumentally. Their land they come with FCDA, C of O. You buy land, you go sleep. Rest of me go on.
Get C of O because
you no get where they for no get
come carry your land.
Forget this one when I mention. Even if say you defend land inside presidential villa, they get land there.
So how many land you get for the Abuja?
Oh my God, bro.
My wife just collect 17 plots from there.
And your wife collect 17 plots?
No be you,
She
your wife.
just 17 plots. Just contact them for Instagram or you call the phone number.
Now you they advise me?
You a woman they use?
Yes.
No be you they wash clothes for them?
No mind
You are a fool.
Babe,
My love,
the land you said you wanted, I'm already on the phone with Lenzo Home. Is it in Wuse or Starlight?
if you give me one from the two places, it no go bad.
You're very funny boy.
Funny boy.
My love.
Not
Your
the
wife
man
they
of
call
you,
you
I
funny
beg
boy.
go.
I beg. Your wife they look for second husband.
Yeah, you know. Who woman can they use?
Nami.
I will lie for you.
I go lie for you. It's my child.
Holy Ghost fire.
Man of God, help me. I get accident.
My picking, help us, oh, help us. Help us, my picking.
Help me, I'm crippled. Children of God, silver or gold I have not, but what I have I give unto you. It's a miracle. name of Jesus.
What's going on here? Do your healing now, Oga.
Oh, my brother, that's an accident. Please, just take care of yourself.
Papa, go inside now. Go start this fake.
Different from Balo Blue.
What's happening here? Are you a man of God or what?
No. Since they born us, my hand didn't head though. Now money for surgery. When they use cut out my hand from the head, now we dey fine.
Okay, that's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Please, you can just take everything. Bless you all, okay? Bless you all. Yeah.
Man of God! Shh! Let the will of God be done.
Atasa!
Nduka. Nduka.
Hey, beautiful damsel. Wow, what an angel. Well, seeing you makes me believe that black is really beautiful. You know what? I don't want to waste your time. Let me just have your number.
Look at this.
2245.
Which country could be this one?
Zenith.
I asked you for Zen. I say your phone number, not be your account number.
2245.
Who don't know pin number? You give me.
2245.
Wait, what do you expect? You meet girl for POS. Which number? Once me she give you.
I just tired.
They ask for phone number. They give her account number.
Wait. See, you know I don't do this kind of thing, so it's because I need money. That's why I'm actually following you here. Babe, relax. Don't be Lagos today. Don't you wanna get a Lamborghini like your mates? Come follow me. Babe, one more thing.
Oh, Jesus.
Hope he's not married. I don't follow married men because I don't want when I marry small girls to start following my husband.
Listen, Chief is not married. Fine, he was. Okay? But his wife is dead. Listen, Chief is into many business. He will spoil you. He's into money rituals and he will spoil you. Give you everything you want. Calm down. Come, where we go.
You still tell her money rituals.
Babe, where they go now?
I beg you. Tell you say I know the sweet for bed.
And she don't hear.
My people.
Governor Amuneke.
My people.
Stop! Your Excellency, any problem? Did you see that I was throwing money, nobody was speaking it?
His Excellency, you don't know. The mass is no longer collect free money from politicians.
Why? How? Since when?
I can't wait for 2027. The way of aggressively for this useless politician.
What are you saying?
Nothing to offer at all. Especially those old cargoes. Let's go for
They go edit you now.
What are you saying?
They go show now.
What is going on? Come. I threw money at you. You dodged it. You didn't pick it.
Your Excellency, youth are no longer running after politicians for free money anymore.
What?
Everybody is busy. As a matter of fact, there is free healthcare. Students have gone back to school and it is free education. Youth are no longer unemployed. Everything is just working perfectly well.
Hey! What do you mean? Everybody, what do you mean? See. He was lying. You people are lying to me. Look at, he's the chosen one.
Sorry, you mistakenly dropped your money.
I didn't drop it. I didn't mistakenly drop it. I don't be silly, my friend. I dropped that money for you to pick.
Excellency, you don't pass this stage now.
Give me.
Excuse me, Excellency. I got call from the IG. Instructing me to withdraw some officers back to station.
Why? Because
special duties are no longer allowed. As a governor, you are entitled to one police officer.
who's going to protect me? I'm the governor. I can pay you.
Sorry to disappoint you, sir. I'd rather lose my job than lose my integrity.
Wow.
When you go
Report back to station.
when something like this go happen.
Hey! Why do I win 2027? If people can no longer be bought. What are you people saying? Calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You people know what to do. You're setting me up. You are crazy for what is being of this.
When Nigeria go be like this. Hey, that's dream.
I was waiting for you to finish previewing your next fake project, but you slept off.
You said you're willing to resign.
Resign? Are they crazy? Resign go here, man. Oh, let's get back to twins. Who have a kind of feeling?
Na for dream. Hey, you want confirm?
Poverty is a disease. God have mercy upon us.
You want confirm?
That's the system we've created. Keep them in abject poverty.
National.
Make them hungry. So that when the election comes, for a token, they are willing to vote you back into power. Make it governable for them. I will never do such a thing.
This guy, they teach us something. They teach masses something.
Daddy.
What are you hiding?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Yudy. What are you hiding?
It's nothing, sir.
Ouch!
Then with another person.
What is that?
Sir, where I'm from, this is a sacred thing.
It is called the truth detector.
Are you serious?
When you are saying the truth, it turns green. But when you are telling a lie, it changes to red.
This was very good now. Wow. I like it. I like it. Wow. Let me see, eh?
Sir, are you sure?
I said, let me see now.
Be careful with it, though.
I don't understand. If I can trade this ego, this one is small now. Give me, Joe. This one is good, though. How will I use it?
Yeah, just ask any question and it's going to tell if you are telling the truth or not.
God, man. Last week, Friday, that my son... Fine, don't get out of this. Don't worry, you go cry. Last week, Friday, that my son said he's going for night vigil. Is it true?
Let's have it. Let's have it. You go red. Let's have it.
Oh my! You see your life, Abby? You see your life, this boy. When I was your age, I was always telling my father the truth. Yes! I did like to him for even one day.
Serious!
Your parents don't do mistake. Now, liar.
Forget that one now. Forget about that one now.
Liar.
I was talking.
Too lie.
People are very funny.
Let's have it.
Like father,
like son.
Serious.
Like father, like son. What's up?
Like father, like son.
Student, you know me speaking.
I'm going inside there. A lot of things are happening to me.
Let's have it.
Mom, don't finish.
Great. Truth. Yo, not really finish. God of Nazareth. Let's have it.
The owner.
I've come to a conclusion. Between this year and last year, everybody don't
Maybe you bond
everybody
the guy now.
Who take her, who take her, who take her?
You're the warrior.
Who be that?
Babe, na me.
Who be my babe?
QB.
Eh? QB? Hey,
Those are your babe.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, you're
Those
welcome.
are your babe boys.
You don't think you come inside though?
Babe, I've been to school now.
No be lie. But this one you don't come back, so when you dey go back?
Babe, I be graduate.
Wait, you don't graduate?
Yes.
You mean now?
Yes.
Class, eh? I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Eh? You're welcome, sit down.
Thank you.
Eh? Okay. So what offer you?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes.
Okay. But this one you come, so hope you go sleep over.
No.
You know sleep over?
No.
Why now?
Let's have it.
I have a boyfriend.
Okay. You don't get boyfriend?
Yeah.
Wait, but why you gonna call me babe the first time you come here now?
So I mean, they recognize me now.
Eh.
Yes.
I will like really recognize me. Okay. But why you come now?
Babe, say.
Come. You know say you don't get boyfriend, then they call me babe. Why you do like that now?
Okay, oh, take her.
Now take I call me.
Okay, nyash.
Nyash.
See, anyway you come in, no wala. Wait till you come.
Let's have it.
That hair where you promised me that time, now make me come.
Wait, what I promised you 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Why your boyfriend no buy am for you?
Get within the space, so when the thing come, he go show me love.
Okay, see, me I dey expect something too. But you know, say promise and fail na sin. So you get one of my friends, they say, I'll go meet and make package here for you. Which one I promise you that time?
1 street.
1 street?
Yes.
How much for that one?
350.
350?
Yes.
Okay, see, the money I dey expect never come like this. But I'll go meet my friend, make your package a small one. Then when the money I dey expect come, I'll go update you better hair.
Okay.
Ayana, may I go?
No problem.
Ayana. Wait, hope say if I buy the hair for you, go sleep over.
Yes, I go sleep over.
Ayana, may I go come in?
Alright.
Feel at home.
Thank you.
Nigerians, I beg, wanna pray for me.
Hey, babe, wait.
Yes, babe.
You know, say me, I be man, I don't know about hair.
Okay.
So come on, go together, make choose the favorite color now.
That's true. Oh, yeah, come on, wait, let's go.
Hey, baby girl.
I don't know how to go.
You know, you sabi what they call Okpona, they call Ashewo. You know they stay one place. If you now footballer when they play for club, you for not defeat they one club. Today na Leicester, tomorrow na Manchester. Since we the shots you go see your mouth. Which club you they come from now? Corner mouth. Since when your mille die, na Soso waka you the waka. Now you be the most used. Who became? Where I get?
Yes, who became?
You see, for your naming ceremony, now me use my hand to give you joy. You sabi why? Because I don't say joy is coming. Don't tell me who be this now.
Pili, my boyfriend.
You go do that kind of thing, huh? You the get boyfriend, you not tell me. Not be me be the first person where you supposed to. What be your name? Ife. Brotherly. You know my brother now. Yeah.
Money don't enter. Mouth change.
Daddy is into forex, but most
Yahoo.
times people mistake him to be a Yahoo boy.
Give me back. Give me back. Nobody go fit touch you. If the boy touch na forest you do. Give me back. I'll protect you if anybody go touch you. They will touch you in the face. Give me back. Me not worry man, they don't want anybody want to touch you. You hear me? I don't go to EFGC, I don't see the recording. May they touch you first. They will touch me. Give me back. Brother, give me back. Nothing will happen. I'll protect you.
They don't see money man. Whether na Yahoo boy, they don't send you. A lot of parents do that.
Babe, will you marry me?
Say yes.
Say yes. Say yes. Say yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes, mommy, you just put the ring.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
James!
Where are they? They're not going to get another
post to you. You two grieve fast. There's no time. Thank you. Yes.
Then leave and go propose to another person. That one said not even one PK himself.
Babe?
This guy hot too.
I was thinking we should stock the house.
Which kind talk be that? I beg no do. We don't do like that for here. Our home anytime we they hungry, we go market, buy food, chop. I beg. Now who get money they do the stocking now? I beg. Jilaska the very stocking. Let's go who hit your phone. You see, I tell you. I beg. Just do small okra soup list for me. Give me fine. Then go market go buy. I beg. No put them goat meat to the call. Got Bitcoin. Ready for 25th December. They chop up. I beg. I want to broke it. I beg.
Don't worry, I can handle it. Yes, but on one condition.
Should I turn off the air condition?
That's not the option.
What is it?
That if you subscribe the Wi-Fi.
I will do that for my wifey. I can do anything for you. Asa, sweet fantasy, hello. I want to try it. Yes, yeah.
What's going on here?
Yes.
So Chidera, you are back from Lagos to Port Harcourt and you didn't bother to call me.
I don't understand. You not been done online or you not get data.
You the data.
We're not supposed to go to the market.
God sent, I'm coming. Make a pursue devil's incarnate. Let you begin and you got your love. Let your problem. You not love at all. You want parental love. What is your problem? A man did not tell you that he's back. Is it not obvious to you that he doesn't want you to know?
Oh, Jesus.
Look at me. Take a look at me. Look at me into the eyes. When a man doesn't carry you along on his daily routine, it means that the relationship don't routine. Move on. See beautiful assets when they're here now. She wants to stock the house. But you, they stock me. If you are me, which of the stock should you go for? Native will stock fish. Very important.
Enough of this talk. It's obvious you are not man enough. You are just looking for a woman who will pay your bills.
I agree, when they go. I'm not man enough. That's why you cannot manipulate me. Make the men are providers before my time. Now I know I'm not the man enough. Yes, I agree, I'm not the man enough. If you check away from my name, Chidera, it was not be baby dog.
He's paying me. Take it easy.
No, they shout now. You know, saying I cheat with they cheat. May they no catch us for here.
Body go tell you. What am I saying? If I see me,
Mazi, you could see back home now. What's happening?
Yeah! Nala, where they go now? Why you want wicked your fellow man like this? Allow him to ejaculate first before you go catch him. Ejaculate on top of my wife. He never come. Mazi, now man to man something.
Why you can't call him now? We have to put it in practice.
Okay. What was you thinking?
Yeah.
Okay.
God have
Now for you when I do, when I even close.
I
open.
You don't know why it's
Something will kill a man. Hey! Run.
Sorry. Entonces,
Madam, give me mineral. Bread.
Who are you?
Oga, wetin you want, Jerry? I think so. Because they don't believe I get money.
Woman.
Wetin you want?
He's stealing
Give me
money.
mineral, I beg. I want.
He's stealing money, still follow and come the same place where you want come buy something.
Oh yeah, Oga, wetin you want? Madam, when they come, they find my money. Like I said, I don't lose money. My brother, it be like say they find something. I don't lose my money. I don't even know where I drop them. You lost money. And I wait. I want to stay chop. Don't happen now. So no worry. Come. Yeah, madam, give her bread. No worry. Take one bread. Madam, give her mineral. Very nice. Thank you. They're not you. I'm a good person for the area. Ask around. No worry. Chop.
I got your money.
I will give you. No be money. Keep the change, eh? We'll see. Pull up.
Which person be this? Move. Why you carry fake come my shop? You want for me, Abi? This cold afternoon, you want for me, Abi? Now fake, now you know see am. Now fake. This hot afternoon.
Bros, what happened? No vex, they talk say this money na fake. Say na counterfeit. I take concern now your money now. Who na my money?
I sure they wonder. You they buy drink for even person where you don't know.
Madam. Money na fake money. But now your money now. Me no, you supposed to ask what. Hold on. Hey. Hold on, Madi, come. Bro, you be my bro. Mama, who they do, bro?
Hold on, call them for me. You never make you go sleep for prison.
Hello?
Today, if you
Papa, where on the one I don't catch am robber.
Where they call carry am? Prison, I go sleep today.
Open my talk now.
No be like saying that my money now. Papa, I dey. When I come. I don't die.
You are a criminal.
Big criminal now you be. Big criminal. You know if you open mouth talk say okay on for your pocket I command the money. The guy don't really get sense normally. You don't get sense. One, you carry money inside person pocket. Constantly follow the person, they go the same place where they go. Constantly buy waiting the guy won't buy. Constantly say me then give him as you say money don't loss. You don't even say okay, maybe you go somewhere first, maybe you go check the money, maybe you even know how much where the money be. At least if you had done that, people don't see okay, this money in a counter or something. But as mumu, you don't get sense. Anyways, now comedy sha because if this person do this one true as in real life, now 2 by 2 they will take break in head. Wow, so thanks my people for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Please let's have it right in the comment section. And like I always say, if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe. Share the video, share to your Facebook page, your Facebook status, your Instagram, your WhatsApp status. Just share to every single person that you know. Let them watch this video and subscribe as well. You see, you get it. And check out my other videos. They're plenty. Yakpa. Check out my other videos. So many of them. You understand? So, see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.